Reports coming in from Fort Portal High Court indicate that advocates of the prestigious court have been soliciting money from individuals illegally in order for these individuals to obtain certain judicial favors from them. The Fort Portal High Court Judge Amy Vincent Mugabo described the dealings by the advocates as embarrassing to the judicature and one that lowers their standards as an honorable court. He emphasized the importance of maintaining the integrity of the supreme judiciary hierarchy.
We are all supposed to handle our offices with ethics and integrity that requires of our office. Once in a while we get complaints of unethical conduct, either for all the agencies, and unfortunately even some of the agencies that we never expected to, we hoped that they were very straight advocates who we expect to get instruction fees that come and do their work. But now, unfortunately, some of them ask, in addition to their instruction fees, for another fee for the judicial officers.
The High Court judge highlighted that such practices undermine the fundamental principles of justice, erode public trust, and tarnish the reputation of the legal profession. The issue came to light during the District Chain-Linked Committee held at Fort Portal Court in Boma. The meeting was organized to make a review of the Fort Portal Court's performance and find ways of how best they can improve in areas where they are not doing well.
These advocates are hitting us below the belt. But we want to get feedback from you, how each of us is performing, where are the areas that we need to look at to better our performance. We are coming to the end of the year, how best we improve our performance in the coming year.
In the report released by the Fort Portal Chief Magistrate, Moses Nabenda, in the month of October, the Chief Magistrate's Court had a total of 1,150 cases, which were both criminal and civil. Out of these, Nabenda reports that 144 cases were backlogged. The Fort Portal Chief Magistrate also reveals that in the same month, his court was able to register 106 cases, while his team was able to complete a total of 247 cases. This, according to him, doubled the number of cases that had been reported.
In October, this court registered 106 cases in total. 106 cases were registered in total.
Spearhead these coordination activities and also are responsible with the police and other agencies to ensure that there is law and order. Of course, it is also important for us to have a mechanism of case management from all our offices. The need to reduce case backlog is very important in our community.
However, the Justice Mugabo expressed deep concern over the escalating numbers of children held in the Fort Portal Remand Home and government prisons, calling for urgent intervention and attention to address the growing crisis that raises serious questions about the welfare and future of affected children.
We have had monthly meetings to talk about time management. I want to believe that most of you, those who have come here, they know this court is open by 8. And by 9, courts are already working, magistrates are in courts.
I last talked to the OC Remand Home yesterday and she told me she had over 100 juveniles. Now that sincerely is quite a number. Of course, the biggest challenge is that this country lacks remand homes, and we are one of those privileged areas to have a remand home.